Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a bio to your account on the Stereo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this profile icon that you can find down below in the right side corner of the screen, and then click on the Add a Bio button below your username. Here you can see the Describe Yourself box, to which you should type in your description. So type it in. And when you are done, you should just simply tap on this arrow at the top of the screen on the left side, so that it will be updated automatically. So here you can see it on the left side below your username. If you want to, just come back to the same section, tap on the description, and you will be able to edit your bio. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.